such a manga anime, I think, theme today. You guys gonna love it. Last week I showed ya. We gonna draw kawaii devil girl, but she wants to be angel. So her eyebrows. Here, this side, I want to draw a little bit of shorter, okay? Little bit of shorter, because her face is a little tilted, right? Then we're gonna draw her little strong eyelid today, because she is kawaii manga devil girl. So we're gonna draw her kind of like same shape, right? But then let's go a little down like that, kind of like this. I'm gonna sort of zoom in just a tiny bit more. So about that. And her eyelash, I'm going to go a little up, kind of like this. Go up. Okay, go like that. I'm gonna do a little thicker. Then her eye. Here, like this. And then bottom eyelash lid. It's a little bit of thicker today. A little bit thicker. Because if you're drawing a little fantasy type of a character, eyelid can be a little thicker than human eyelid. Top and the bottom. Let's go thick, nice black eyelid today. Okay? Then this side is wing. Unless you're drawing two, which is going to be both eyes open, right? But wing is going to be just like that today, right? Instead of like adding a shiny bubble inside, I'm going to draw a little black thick line in the middle like this. Okay? Let's go just slightly more, kind of like this. But if we don't add bubble, it's gonna look sad. So maybe just a one side small bubble, that might be good. Around this black bubble, you're gonna add this reddish purple, sort of a ring lines like that. You know what? You know what? Sorry, this is too tiny. Let me draw bigger. Sorry about that. I thought it's gonna be big enough, but it's not good. So this is what I meant. 1, 2, 3. Hi. Da, 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 da. So we did something like this, right? Here. So around this black line here, reddish purple ring line. Kind of like this. Oh, spooky, right? That's what I want to add it. I mean, it can be a little bit of Halloween going on here, but that's fine. Okay. Then you use maybe lavender tone or really light purple. Add a eye color inside. Other side wing, right? I'm gonna draw here because it's bigger, easy for you. Then we're gonna draw a nose. Mm-hmm. And then let's give her smile. Little bit of shy smile, so she doesn't open all the way. Right? And if you want to add a little fan, why not? And then let's give her face line. Now I'm gonna draw her face line this way. We can go for more 14 or something. But if you wanna make it younger, please. Yeah, that's totally fine with me. So we're gonna draw her face line. I'm gonna make her just nice round cheek, so it can be tween or teenager like that. Okay, and I'm gonna zoom in just a tiny bit. All right, so what we're gonna start drawing her bangs. Little bit of short today. Like you're gonna show her maybe eyebrows a little bit. Go like this, little thick, and a short bangs like that. Okay. Then right next to it, you're gonna draw short side hair, kind of like this. I like that. This is cute. And then, so you can show her like a ear a little bit, little triangle ear. Get something like this. We can go like kind of like that. Ah, it's a little too big. Oh, I drew a little too big. Yeah, it was wow, drawing from a side, you lose kind of a size. It's smaller. Wait, but I don't know if it's this does it look small or big from this angle? Ah, good enough. Put a texture here, and we're gonna add a color later on. Then let's give her round head shape here. And if you want to, you can add a little bit of short hair coming up. And if we're gonna add maybe halo or something later. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do, I want you to start going kind of like this. So the hair go like it's a wavy layered hair. So I'm going to go one, two, right? And then go here like that. Okay. And then more maybe looking inside like this. And underneath, you're gonna add a more little long hair. Go like this. Okay. And you're gonna add more. So the wavy hair key is gonna be right. The edge of this hair looking sort of outside, in, out, in, out. Now let's do same thing other side, okay? Okay, here. Here we go. Now I'm adding lemony neon red edge. Not red, sorry, yellow. Is walking, happy walk. Happy walk means arms are open, like more almost like a skipping in a way. Neck, okay, neck, neck, neck. And then what I'm going to draw is rectangle shape, okay? And then, oh yeah, one, two, three. It's a little complicated clothes I came up with. And neckline. So I'm going to draw another line. Here we go, more like kind of like this. Here, okay. And then this side here. You can do bow here, okay. And then you're gonna draw underneath, it's like a shoelace. X again. More, one more time. One more time. And a close like to be a t-shirt. So look at this t-shirt's a little bit of wow, it's a lot layered. Go like that. And then you're gonna draw fabric winkle line. And then morph it like this. Perfect. And once you're done, we're gonna start drawing her arm. So once, I think all you need to do is follow your guideline to wrist. Okay. And we're gonna draw like her hand is like, because it's a happy walk. Hand is not down like this, more like a yay, like open up, kind of like that. And then a thumb up, right? And we're gonna start drawing index finger up. I'm gonna draw a hand a little bigger, so it's gonna be easy for you to see. And then middle finger, sort of like going behind index finger, okay? And then ring finger, pinky, and a connect line, kind of like this. So sort of like looking back a little bit. And I want you to do the same thing, acha, same thing, other side, right? Same thing, other side. So you're gonna draw, oop, uh, wait a minute, but is this too, ah, got too weird shape. Yeah, is it kind of a, okay, good enough, good enough. I thought it was too small, but okay. I don't have that much space, so I'm just gonna leave it here. So for this, you're gonna draw thumb up here, right? Wow, sorry. Here, right? And then you're gonna draw index finger. And then this one sort of goes here. here, here. Goes change the shape a little bit. So instead of doing like this, more like goes slightly goes. You finished. Now the last, no, last couple parts. We're gonna draw this hip lines here. Quick, this triangle shape, right? So let's do her right leg in the front today. Well, here maybe knee is around here, right? So this knee here, kind of like that. Okay. Let's go the high-low dress means the front line's a little shorter, back line is a little lower. Okay. Throwing a flowy dress, right? Go like that, right? And then maybe like right above the knee, you're gonna start drawing this wave line, please. Mm-hmm. And then maybe connect the line here. Ah, sorry, I'm going to make a little, this size a little lower. Oh, sorry, little, sorry. This line's a little, not this line. Then you're gonna start drawing her leg to ankle here. This part too. Here, here. And we're gonna draw low, means going like this. Next line. Go like this, okay? So this kind of a dress shows up a lot. Fantasy characters type or like a Nala from my book Bounce Back. She wears this kind of clothes because she loves complicated, just layered, that type of fashion. So it's go like this, okay? We're gonna add a little bit more tough part. So another horn sticks up like this, and then let's add a little bit more texture like that here, right? And then go like spike sharp. Angel wing is tons of like feather layer, tons of it. But this, we're gonna go for a little hard one. But her clothes is gonna be flowy, and we're gonna make it really kind of a sweet color. So goes here like that. Okay. And then we can add more like this. So this part can be a like red or black. And then we're gonna add more here line like that. Ooh. Here. Here. Same thing. Here. Oh, wait, the balance is good? Oh yeah, good. Go like this. Here, here. And then go like this. Here. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, here, what I'm going to draw is go almost like sort of a short here, little short here, right? Go like this, and then go here, and a little spikes, and then maybe spikes in the back. Whoa, this side. Oh, I don't have that much space. Yeah. Ah. Okay, really didn't have a space. Go like this. Go like that. Oh, I forgot adding a tail. So from a back, let's go here. Go like that. Here. Kind of like this. Bye, guys. See you.